Konnichiwa minasan. O genki desu ka? Hey there, food lovers. Want to learn how to order food in Japanese like a pro? Whether you're traveling to Japan or just want to impress your friends. Today, we're going to break it down. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll be learning how to order food in Japanese, how to customize your order, and how to make additional requirements. Also, we'll be learning about some Japanese etiquettes and a lots of vocabulary words. Let's get started. Emma enters a Japanese restaurant. Let's see how it goes. The restaurant staff greets her. Irashaimase. Nanme sama desu ka? Irashaimase means welcome. Irashaimase. Nanme sama desu ka? How many people are there? Nanme sama desu ka? Emma replies with Hitori desu. Hitori desu. One person. Hitori desu. Here, hitori means one person. People are counted in Japanese in this manner. One person, hitori desu. Two people, futari. Three people, sannin. Four people, yonin. Five people, gonin. Six people, rokunin. Seven people, shichinin. Eight people, hachinin. 9 people, kyunin. 10 people, junin. So, if you're a group of 4, you can say yonin desu. Yonin desu. Emma enters a Japanese restaurant. Irashaimase. Nanme sama desu ka? Emma replies with Hitori desu. Now, Emma is at the restaurant table and she wants to get the attention of the waiter. She says, Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Which means, excuse me. The waiter says, are you ready to order? Gochu mo wa okimari desu ka? Gochu mo wa okimari desu ka? Emma replies, yes. One ramen, please. Hai. Ramen. Hitotsu onegaishimasu. Hai. Ramen hitotsu onegaishimasu. Keep in mind this formula. Name of the food, quantity plus onegaishimasu. Onegaishimasu means please or a request. For example, Karee raisu o onegaishimasu. Curry rice please. Karee raisu onegaishimasu. Sushi o mitsu kudasai. Sushi o mitsu kudasai. 3 pieces of sushi please. Here mitsu means a counter for 3. Counting food in Japanese may not seem similar to how we count in English. Let's learn this at the end of this video. When you cannot pronounce the name of the dish, you can just point at the menu and say Kore o kudasai. Kore o kudasai. Kore means this. Kudasai is please. Kore o kudasai. Kudasai and onegaishimasu both mean please. They are both used when you are requesting something. While ordering multiple things while pointing at the menu, you can use the word to. To means and. So you can say kore, point, to kore, point at the another dish, and keep doing this till you reach the end of your liking. By the end, you can say ijo. So for example, kore, to kore mitsu, ijo kudasai. Mitsu means 3. We will learn this at the end of the video. So to say this one and 3 of this one please, you say kore, to kore, mitsu, ijo kudasai. Let's learn how to customize your order. If you need something without a certain ingredient, you can say the name of the food plus nashi onegaishimasu. Nashi means without it. So to say, no spicy food please, you can say, Karai mono, nashi de onegaishimasu. Karai mono means spicy food. Nashi de onegaishimasu. Karai mono, nashi de onegaishimasu. Now to ask if this dish contains a particular ingredient, you can say the name of the food plus haite imasu ka? Haite imasu ka? For example, does this contain milk? Gyunyu ga haite imasu ka? Gyunyu means milk. Gyunyu ga haite imasu ka? To say if you have something or do you have dash, you can say food or an object plus wa arimasu ka? Wa arimasu ka? For example, do you have an English menu? You can say Ingo no menu wa arimasu ka? Ingyo no menu means English menu. Wa arimasu ka means do you have. Ingyo no menu wa arimasu ka? Example, do you have a spoon and a fork? Suppun to forku wa arimasu ka? Suppun, which means spoon. To means and. Forku means fork. Suppun to forku wa arimasu ka? Now that we have learned how to customize your order, let's learn some popular ingredients in Japanese. Meat, niku. Pork, butaniku. Beef, gyuniku. Chicken, toriniku. Fish, sakana. Fish stock, dashi. Soya sauce, shoyu. Eggs, tamago. Cheese, chizu. Milk, gyunyu. Alcohol, sake. Wasabi is called wasabi. And fermented beans are called natto. For English menu, you can say Ingo no menu. Vegetarian menu, vegetarian no menu. Halal menu, hararu no menu. Gluten-free menu, gluten nashi no menu. When you're ordering more than one of a certain dish, you can use numbers, or we say counters in Japanese. So for example, if you need 2 sushi plates, you can say sushi futatsu o kudasai. Your futatsu means 2. Similarly, mitsu means 3. If you're ordering for a larger group, let's say with 4 or 5 people, you can say yotsu, which means 4. Yotsu. Or isutsu, which means 5. Isutsu. For example, 4 ramen and 4 sushi please. Ramen o yotsu to sushi o yotsu onegaishimasu. Here, ramen o yotsu means 4 ramen, to means and, sushi o yotsu means 4 sushi, onegaishimasu. Ramen o yotsu to sushi o yotsu onegaishimasu. Let's take one more example. 2 ramen and 1 sushi please. Ramen o futatsu to sushi o hitotsu onegaishimasu. Futatsu means 2. Hitotsu means 1. Ramen o futatsu to sushi o hitotsu onegaishimasu. Once you've enjoyed the meal, it's time to pay. To get the waiter's attention, we say Sumimasen, Sumimasen. To ask for the bill, Emma says Okaikei onegaishimasu. Okaikei means bill. Okaikei onegaishimasu. The bill please. To pay by card, you can say Kado de haraimasu. I will pay by card. Kado de haraimasu. To pay by cash, you can say genkin de haraimasu. Genkin means cash. Genkin de haraimasu. Or by the train card, which is called suika, you can say suika de haraimasu. Suika de haraimasu. Congratulations! Now you know how to order food in Japanese. While leaving the restaurant, you can say arigatou gozaimashita, which means thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita. Or you can say gochizo-sama deshita. Gochizo-sama deshita, which means thank you for the meal. Gochizo-sama deshita. Let's revise. To get the waiter's attention, we say Sumimasen, Sumimasen, which means excuse me. To order, we say Menyū or onegaishimasu, water please. Ramen, hitotsu onegaishimasu, one ramen please. To point at the menu and order, we say Karee o kudasai, Karee o kudasai. While customizing our order without a certain ingredient, we say dash nashi onegaishimasu, gyūnyū nashi onegaishimasu, which means without milk please. Gyūnyū nashi onegaishimasu. Order. To ask if the dish contains an ingredient, we say sakana ga haitemasu ka? Does this contain fish? Sakana ga haitemasu ka? Haitemasu ka means does this contain? Sakana ga haitemasu ka? To say do you have dash, we say dash wa arimasu ka? For example, chizu wa arimasu ka? Do you have cheese? Chizu wa arimasu ka?